Hey students, I just wanted to make a quick video solely dedicated to the final Z sound. Z is a voiced sound. It's just like making the S sound, but you need your voice box to do it. For a detailed explanation on how to make this sound, please click on the video titled Contrasting Final S.In the following exchanges, I want you to really focus on the Z sound. There are a lot of them, and these phrases you're about to practice are very common phrases. I suggest you practice these sentences in this video over and over and over. Because if you're going to speak English, you surely will use them often. Repeat after me. Is it or isn't it? It is. It isn't. Was it or wasn't it? It was. It wasn't. Does it or doesn't it? It does. It doesn't. Whose was that? It was his. It wasn't hers. Has he been there? He has, but she hasn't. Was she here? She was, and then she wasn't. Guess whose? Whose? Okay, so go ahead and practice those exchanges until you feel comfortable with the final Z sound. And when you think you've got it really good, try this tongue twister. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? All right, thanks for checking in today. Remember, practice, practice, and practice. If you would like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC in Wat Damakai in Pathumthani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or sign up for an online experience with other students. Just click the link in the description below. See you next time. Sawasdee krap.